beautiful babes, welcome into Keeping It Cute with Sweet Angel. And am I keeping it cute today? Well, I'm really doing a lot of chores. And my main project today was to get in the bathroom and declutter hair products. Y'all, I buy so many hair products. And if they work for me, what I do is pick my favorite container and I just throw them all into one single container. Yes, I do. And sometimes it works and sometimes it don't. But today I think I have some winners and I'm combining all three of these together. I can't recall the names of everything, but I will put them all in the description box for you. But again, it's all about decluttering. Hair products is one thing, like shampoos, conditioners. For me, since I have natural hair, I do get a lot of curl activators or gels for curls and yada yada yada, on and on and on. But anyway, today I wanted to declutter, which is pretty easy for me. I just gathered up all of my hair products, even the tools. I don't have really any accessories for my hair, and I just pretty much categorized them, and I made sure for those things that I could go ahead and combine this time around. And it's the beginning of the year. It's also a new month. So this is something I do on a regular. So I went ahead and combined the things that I could. Very simple to do. And are you one to collect samples of things? I do a lot of ordering and I do get samples occasionally, and sometimes I'll open it up and I don't use it all, but it's a workable product that I can really use. I will go through those samples and actually use those or pop them into the bottles and containers I already have open, just to, get rid of them instead of tossing them. Somebody spent some money on them, okay? So I really want to make sure I put them to use. And if y'all have been part of my Beautiful Babe Brigade, you already know that occasionally when I do my little box giveaways or goodie bag giveaways, you may receive some of those things as well, because I want them to go for somebody's use, for somebody's use. That's very important to me. So in the bathroom, I was on today getting all of my hair products together. Basically, I have actually gone throughout the house to do this, so you may see me on another video where I have decluttered that as well. I actually, for my shampoo and my conditioner, bought some more containers because, again, I'm so accustomed to certain products I use for my hair, and pretty much what I do is mix them all into one container. But I wanted to get a larger container to do that with, and I wanted to get like a generic container instead of having certain brands on there, because again, I don't endorse one over the other because they are all, again, workable products for me. I can actually tolerate them all and enjoy using those products. But basically that's all I wanted to share in this video today. Just kind of rambling on about what your girl been up to today in the world of keeping it cute. And keeping it cute means trying to clean up, take care of some things. It's a new year and a new time span to jump into. I also like to disinfect all of my products that I have out. I use alcohol. I use alcohol a lot. I use it all over the house, as a matter of fact. I use it to cleanse off products and so forth and just get a fresh start. I'm actually planning on kind of upgrading or doing some things to this bathroom. I just really have not done much of anything to it in a long time, so I do plan on doing that. But other than that, just a little chit chat to let you know it's time to get it together, clean up a little bit. But I still have tons of products that I will subsequently go through as I narrow down things. And one other thing I want to mention, I have pretty much done away now with doing my empties videos because I get so much stuff. In this last go round, y'all, I had so much stuff I had to chunk away that it was crazy. Oh my God, it was crazy. So today, again, decluttering, I did my curl activator, I did my curl moisturizer, and now I use glycerin in my hair almost every day. These two products that I'm adding to this glycerin bottle are from Avon. I use them, but they are loaded with glycerin as well. They're pretty much going to give my hair a sheen. They both work pretty similar, so I went ahead and dumped those in here as well. So that's about it, y'all. Just want to chit chat. Happy New Year to everybody. Thanks again for hanging out with your girl on all of my channels. Here on Keeping It Cute, we are growing. Yes, we are. So I'm going to be putting more content here. As I mentioned to you all, I do a lot of promotions over here because I do get a lot of products and different things that I am affiliated with, that I work with. But I don't do a lot of me on the screen as much as I want to because Beauty by Sweet Angel keeps me so busy. But keep sticking and staying, and I promise you I will definitely be coming around with more content. But until then, y'all stick and stay right here if you would. Subscribe if you have not, and I assure you, you'll be glad you did. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care until then, and remember, y'all, keep it cute. Okay? All right. Toodles.